Yo, stop, Violetta. It's Violetta. She's dancing and putting on makeup. It's Steph. Say hi. Camera girl. What are you doing? Alright. Hey guys. We're sitting in Violetta's room and we're making a video. I want to know right under the stick. Think too much, just fuck that stick. I want to take a ride under this skill stick. Let's play a love game, play a love game. Do you want love, or you want fame, or you win the game? Love a love game. Let's play a love game, play a love game. Do you want love, or you want fame, or you win the game? It's time for my secret safari. Okay, I'm going into her closet.
Oh, holy shit! You might
Yes,
get
her
lost
lovely
in that.
closet. I really like this skirt. I think it's really cute, and one day I'll steal it. This thing's squishy. I remember I used to have one of those. But yes, this is my journey in her closet. Yes, I might get lost, like she said. I don't know, just some clothes. I feel like I'm on like Room Raiders. That's how I do. Violetta, don't sing out of tune. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's her other closet. She has like 2 closets, and the other one's boring. So now you can see me. I'm standing here in the mirror. But I think we're about to make this video end. So everyone say bye. Say bye, Violetta.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Someone show me so I can say bye.
Peace, nigga.